Hi everyone, it's Tita Chinita, and today we're going to talk about how to organize your small kitchen on a budget. Let's talk about kitchen layout and size. So, yung size ng kitchen nyo, determinant yan kung gaano kalaki yung magagastos nyo. Siyempre, pag laki ng kitchen nyo, mas marami kang areas na kailangan lagyan ng cabinets, ng counters. Whereas kung mas maliit yung space ng kitchen mo, medyo mas minimal yung kailangan yung ipa-build na cabinetry. So, kung gusto nyo makatipid, ideally, yung space na i-consume ng kitchen nyo should be smaller. So, in our case, we decided to go with a galley kitchen. Yung galley kitchen, meron ka lang parang 2 rows of workspace, and then may parang space sa gitna na for walkway. We decided to go with this layout. 3 factors that went to it were space, budget, and yung furnitures and appliances that we wanted to bring in. So, yung bahay kasi namin, we live in a townhouse, and typically yung ground floor ng mga townhouse, parang open space concept siya. Open space yung baba, open concept yung baba. Normally, yung mga ground floor ng mga bahay natin, di ba, mga living area, it would consist of living area, dining area, and then your kitchen. So, doon sa space na to, apt naman siya. Except that, my husband asked for separate space para doon daw siya mag-office. So, 4 spaces, 4 sections in this one whole room. So, hindi talaga kami pwede magkaroon ng malaking kitchen. Another factor that we had to consider was, of course, budget. We moved in kasi February, and then March, nag-lockdown. So, pandemic, we didn't want to spend so much kasi, syempre, we need to preserve our finances in these trying times na hindi natin alam nung time na yun kung ano bang mangyayari sa atin. The last factor that we needed to consider dun sa decision kung ano yung kitchen layout was kung ano-ano ba yung mga furnitures and appliances that we need to bring in. So, for the most part, these were existing appliances and furnitures already. So, we had to think of a layout na mag-i-incorporate ng mga existing na. That way, we didn't have to spend so much. So, all factors considered, we decided to go with a galley kitchen, as I said earlier. Very efficient yung layout na to kasi konting movement lang, magagawa mo na yung mga kailangan mong gawin. So, kuha ka ng ingredients, food prep, linis ng veggies and meat, and then punta ka dito sa gas range, maluluto mo na siya. So, very ideal yung placement. My next tip is DIY. So, especially now na parating na yung IKEA, diba? And yung furniture naman ng IKEA, mostly build it yourself. So, in this kitchen, we saved money by doing DIY. Especially here, dun sa open shelves namin. We just bought the shelves, tapos kami na yung nag-install. Tapos this cabinet, bumili lang kami ng 3/4 na plywood, tapos pinabuild namin siya dun sa handyman namin na employee. So, diba, if you have that option na kaya nyo mag-build, why not kayo na lang kaysa i-contract out nyo pa. Siyempre, mas makakatipid kayo kung kaya nyo naman gawin siya by yourself. And what's great with DIY also is you get to dictate kung ano yung dimensions na kailangan nyo. For this example, kung itong cabinet na to, this is tailor-fit to hide our dish cabinet. So, di ba, medyo eyesore siya kung iisipin mo. Pero since from the kitchen mo lang siya makikita, from the living area and dining area, hidden siya, itong panel na to. So, yun, yung ganun na customization, pwede mo siyang ma-achieve through DIY. Kung gusto mo makatipid, pwede mo rin naman siyang ma-achieve kung i-outsource mo siya, but then, syempre, mas mahal yun. Another example is itong pantry namin. So, since hindi nga kami pwedeng masyado mag-expand ng kitchen. Yung pantry namin, I decided to go with a low cabinet na medyo shallow, yung depth niya. So, hindi siya masyado mag-consume ng space, but it's enough to house all our ingredients, cooking needs. And meron pa akong parang space on top of it na I can put stuff on. My next tip is to repurpose or to recycle. So, let me just point you to this jars. Okay? So, di ba kapag bakers would know this, bakers can relate. Yung mga bakers talaga marami tayong ingredients eh. So, and yung ingredients natin come in bulk. So, kailangan natin ng bigger jars to house yung mga ingredients niya na yan. Flour, sugar, di ba? Kilo-kilo natin yan bilhin eh. Yung mga glass jars na magaganda would cost 500 to 700 to 1,000, I think. Yun yung malalaki kasi. So, I have here 6. Imagine kung 500 isa, 3,000 na agad yon. So, in my case, wala akong pinayaran. Well, nag-invest ako konti on relationship. So, if you're familiar with these jars, ito yung mga plastic containers na pinaglalagyan ng mga nata, mga jelly, ng mga nagtitinda, ng mga milk tea shops. So, syempre, di ba, ang bilis nila makakonsume ng ganon. And when you think about it, gaano kaya karaming plastic yung natatapon lang. And syempre, let's do our part to help conserve the planet. Our resources are finite. Di ba? So, syempre, mag-develop muna kayo ng relationship with them, di ba? Order muna kayo. And then, after some time, I asked them if I can have jars. And they were very generous naman. I asked for 3, they gave me 6. So, yan, thank you. Thank you sa inyo. So, yun, di ba? Savings of 3,000. We have the environment pa. So, an example of repurposing naman is this one. Okay. If you're familiar, ito yung mga pang-lock ng steering wheel. So, we bought this back in 2012. Tapos, siguro mga 1 month lang namin nagamit. Mahirap pala siya ikabit. So, medyo annoying. So, pero matibay siya. So, nakakahinayang na maitapon, di ba? So, nung nakalipat kami dito, and we had this built, and okay na yung layout, I thought, parang, okay, sigurong ma-repurpose na siya for this area. So now, it serves as parang rod, tapos may mga hook, and then yung mga most used namin na kitchen utensils nandito nakahang. So, di ba, instead na bumili ka ng rod, nagamit pa natin tong steering wheel na nakatambak lang dapat. So, ngayon, may purpose na siya. So, ang next tip natin is to shop for mga pang-organize na gamit sa Daiso, Japan Home, Lazada, and Shopee. Okay, so one great find from Lazada was these rotating, parang lazy Susan na tiered. I actually got the idea from, nabili ko na siya before. Same, but it's acrylic. Pero I used it for toiletries. And it was very effective na ang dami niyang nalaman na mga bote, makeup, ganyan. Tapos, ang liit lang ng space niya, pero very compact, ang galing. So, I thought, why not make use of that concept in the kitchen? Especially for yung mga bote na maliliit. Na, di ba, kung naka-line up lang siyang ganyan, ang laki na ng space na makakonsume niya. But then, because we use vertical space, na-maximize natin yung space. So, plus it's easier to access. Diba? My last tip on how you can keep your kitchens organized on a budget is to actually keep your kitchen organized. Why? Kasi, for as long as maayos naman yung kitchen nyo, nagpa-function siya, maayos naman naka-place yung mga bagay-bagay. Parang, why would you think to change it or to upgrade it pa if it already works for you? So, if you don't get into that mindset na kailangan kong palitan kasi hindi maganda, hindi ka gagastos, diba? So, I want to go back to this example. plastic container siya. Would I want them in a glass jar? Siguro kasi mas maganda. But then, since it works naman, why would I want to spend so much money on glass jars if this already works? Diba? So for as long as your kitchen works for you, and you maintain it and it's organized, then no need to upgrade. No need to spend. So, savings. So that's it for today's video. Sana may natutunan kayo. Sana may makuha kayong tips that you can apply to your own kitchens. If you like this kind of content, please do subscribe and click the like button. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! Hi everyone, it's Tita Chinita, and today we're going to talk about how to organize your kitchen. Peanut! Hi everyone, it's Tita Chinita, and today we're going to talk about... It's Tita Chinita, and today we're going to talk about... Peanut! Okay, so first things first. Peanut, you're so noisy.